If your Bedsure heated blanket displays an error code, it's the controller's way of telling you something isn't right. Most models show codes F1 through F6, and each one points to a specific issue. In general, these codes fall into three categories: loose or faulty connections, internal electronic malfunctions, or power supply problems. Sometimes you may just see a flashing F or a blank screen, which also signals a fault that needs attention. Start by unplugging the blanket from the wall and waiting at least 3 minutes. This allows the internal system to reset. After that, reconnect the controller firmly to the blanket and plug it directly into a standard 120-volt wall outlet. Avoid extension cords, as they can cause voltage drops that trigger errors. Carefully inspect the power cord and controller for fraying, bent pins, or visible damage. Specific codes give more direction. F1 usually points to a connection or cord issue. F2 can be caused by power irregularities or electronic glitches. F3 often suggests a controller malfunction. If you see F4, F5, or F6, or the issue continues after resetting, it's best to contact Bedsure support for assistance or possible replacement. Safety is critical. In 2023, certain Bedsure models were recalled due to fire risks linked to controller malfunctions. If your blanket shows repeated errors or any physical damage, stop using it immediately.